Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook spring rolls in an air fryer. First, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. While it preheats, take your frozen spring rolls out of their packaging. A light spray of cooking oil or olive oil will help them achieve a beautiful golden crisp. Next, carefully place your prepared spring rolls into the air fryer basket. It is important to arrange them in a single, even layer, making sure each spring roll has a little space around it. Do not overcrowd the basket, as this ensures even cooking and maximum crispiness for every single piece. If needed, cook them in separate batches. Now, it's time to cook them to perfection. Set your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and cook for an initial 10 minutes. Be sure to pause the cooking and flip each spring roll over halfway through this time, around the 5-minute mark, to ensure even browning on all sides. After flipping, continue cooking for another 5 to 8 minutes, depending on your air fryer and desired crispiness. Look for a beautiful, even golden brown color across the entire surface of the spring rolls. They should also feel wonderfully crispy when gently touched, indicating they are thoroughly cooked and ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.